TBH. We haven't even like unpacked yet completely. No, we're going sailing today.
This week, we go sailing for the first time in 3 months due to my injury. Maggie makes extensions for the bed, and we show you how we get propane for our stove. Last week, we take Thingy, our dinghy, for a test drive. Maggie changes the cabin interior, and we visit our home in Denver, discovering some big changes in our beloved city. Join us each week for a new sailing adventure. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to watch as we learn to sail proficiently, snorkel, fish, and navigate our way to the Bahamas, fixing things as we go.
Videos made possible by our patrons.
You heard that right. sailingDIPITY is going to the Bahamas. I'm back on 2 feet and hurricane season will soon be over. So, we are going to completely change direction and sail south instead of our original plan to sail north to Massachusetts. We have a few projects and some sailing to do before we leave. Season 2 will be heavy on some boat projects that we will complete ourselves in order to prepare to push off to the Bahamas.
So, TBH. We haven't even like unpacked yet completely. No, we're going sailing today. Yep. We got an itch. We gotta go scratch it.
Pimo, our schnoodle, is beginning to really enjoy the open waters. Maggie always makes sure that he wears his life jacket, whether underway in the dinghy or on the sailboat. We leave Thingy, or Dinky, behind for this short, long-awaited day sail around Titusville, Florida. We remove the sail cover and remember our new sail ties. Thank you, Jonathan Romero, for making and sending these to us. Much easier to work with and way classier than the bungee cords that I was using previously.
Bahamas is taking us that way. Piece of wood here at the very end. I got a leg on top, so this one leg is what supports this whole bed here when we pull it out. So I'm gonna make another couple legs. This gray thing here, that pillow's kind of dirty. This gray thing here is a cover. So underneath we have our bright blue, but this is just a cover so I can get a little messy and do some projects before we leave. So I'm going to cut this into a few legs so that we have a couple more support points here, and then we're going to add a couple over here too. This is real life, okay? Real life on the sailboat. So it's not perfectly clean. It just is what it is. But you guys get to see us do some projects. Alright, so yes, this pulls out right here as well. See? I don't know if you can see. See how it's coming out? And it has no support legs. So we're going to try make 4 support legs. Alright, let's see what we could do. Found this wood in the back, left by the previous owner. Thank you, Brian. Gosh, months later and we're still like, yes, go PO. Yeah, so far this project is going to cost me $0. Yes. Okay. Alright, so these little feet are recycled from we don't remember where. But we brought them back from Denver a few weeks ago, and I thought they'd be perfect for feet for our stand for the bed. All right, we drilled a hole in the bottom. We made our little notch here on top. Now we just have to screw it back in. Okay, so I screwed it into our little piece of wood. I've got my wood cocked up here. I think you can see the hinges. All I got to do now is screw these in.
Success. Maggie's craftiness paid off, and we now have one big bed frame. Next up, a new mattress.
We're out of propane. Here's what we do. First, we take off the propane tank. Boop. I forgot to leave a bed. We walk it from there all the way to over there, 7-Eleven.
Nice cat for you.
He loves cats.
I like how you tear him up.
Aw, he would run. He is pretty quick. That's the thing.
We make the trek to get propane once every few months, which means that we only spend about $6.50 per month on propane. Staying at a marina has its perks. Electricity 24/7 is great for the projects we need to do to get ready for the Bahamas. Having water on hand all the time and a pump out service is nice too.
I made it.
Our freshwater pump died on us. Replacing it was as simple as unplugging the red and black wires, identifying and removing the inlet and outlet hoses, and reversing that process with the new pump. This is the pump that sends water to our sinks and shower. We carry about 100 gallons of fresh water with us for drinking and cleaning. This pump is the heart of that system. SailingDIPITY was taped in front of a live studio audience.
Okay, say it again. It was awesome! Tell him, Booger.
SailingDIPITY. SailingDIPITY was... doesn't like that voice.
I can do it. Uh-oh. Come here, baby. Come here. Tell me say it.
That's when he jumped over.
Alright, go.
SailingDIPITY was taped at a live studio.
It does both?
It does both.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
Join us next time when I take Maggie on a surprise small town date night. And Maggie modifies an old swimsuit for the Bahamas.
I'm also gonna cut. Right here I started my cut. I'm gonna cut all the way around all this elastic just to give me a little bit more show and a little less shoulder strap.
A special thank you to our top tier patrons, Maria Figueroa, Randy Moe, and now Scott and Diane Schmidt. Become a crew member now and get instant access to our photo vault of over 500 images. See you next time.